Okay, so let's talk about quiver design for a minute. I prefer the types of quivers that have 2 points of contact to secure the arrow. It could be on the side of the quiver, or it could be right up and down. And I like the longer quivers. Why is this? Sound reduction. If you listen to your bow and you hear that noise, a lot of times it's coming from the quiver. Yes, bows will have rattles and creaks in other places, and the rest and the sight and other things. That I'm not worried about. That I can get pinpointed down, especially at the archery shop. But out there in the woods, if you hear a rattle, chances are it's coming from here. And a lot of times, it's just me not securing that arrow properly. So here we have an arrow, we're gonna put it in the quiver. Well, there's a couple points. There's a point up in the front, and there's a point there and there. Let's say that arrow is pushed back a little bit. Rattles like crazy, and the reason why is I didn't have that arrow seated up into the hood. We seat that arrow up into the hood, we make sure everything is down the way it's supposed to be. That's why this thing is designed the way it is. It's not rattling. And the other thing too is with putting the quiver on my bow, a lot of times when I get up, actually not a lot of times, every time when I get up in the tree, I like to hang my quiver. For me, it's easier that way. I'm only shooting 1 arrow at a time anyways. But when I'm walking or I'm getting in and out of my vehicle, I can get that quiver right on the bow, lock it down, locked and loaded, ready to go. Keep these things in mind if you're gonna select a new quiver. How the arrows go into the quiver, how they lock up into the hood, and especially how that quiver mounts on your bow. You're gonna save yourself some headaches and possibly a missed deer because of that noise.